Hello, I'm Ramya, a family lawyer and associate here at Lakey Family Law. Today, I thought I would talk to you about some of the considerations that come along with reconciliation after you've divorced or separated and finalized your property settlement. It's actually not all that uncommon, and for those that do reconcile, sometimes a fresh start and a clean slate can be exactly what they need to come back together and find their happily ever after. However, if court or consent orders have been put in place, there are a variety of legal considerations that really should be worked through. Because unfortunately, the reality is that not every reconciliation is successful. And if you do find yourself separating a second time, things can get very messy legally. Often, those who have been through the family law process and finalized a property settlement make the mistake of assuming that if things don't work out, the orders put in place the first time will still apply. But it actually doesn't work that way. Once a court or consent order has been enacted from a legal perspective, if you reconcile, you are entering a new relationship, and any past agreements and orders no longer apply. The fact that you were previously married or in a de facto relationship is irrelevant. If you were to separate in the future, legally it would be treated in the same way as if you had entered into a relationship with someone new. That means that potentially you would need to go through the whole process again, and that there is also the potential for the outcome to be different the second time around. To prevent this possibility and protect yourself from the stress and cost of having to do it all over again, it is well worth getting advice from an experienced family lawyer. While every situation is different, often the solution is as simple and straightforward as putting in place a binding financial agreement that reflects the original property settlement and sets out how assets will be divided should things not work out. So, while I know talking to or engaging a lawyer at this time is probably the last thing either of you want to do, it really is wise and worthwhile. Our team has helped and supported a number of clients in navigating the legal considerations of reconciliation. So why not get in touch? An initial chat will cost you nothing and has the potential to save you a great deal of stress and money should things not work out the second time around.